Hi, I'm Antoinette, and this is for the women who had to clap for herself. The one who get up again and again, quietly healing, quietly growing, quietly doing the impossible with no audience and no applause. This is for you. If you ever sat in a room full of people and still felt unseen, if you were whispered to yourself, maybe this time they'll notice, maybe this time they'll believe I can do it, and they don't. Not your family, not your friends, and let's be honest, some days not even you. But hear me, you don't need their permission to rise. You never did. You don't need their understanding. You don't need their validation. You don't need anyone to believe in your future before you do. You just need one thing, to not give up. Because there's a woman on the other side of this pain, and she's you. She's wiser, softer, stronger. Not because life was easy, but because you didn't give up and quit when it got hard. You are the proof that even when no one clapped, you still kept dancing. Even when no one noticed, you still showed up. Even when no one believed, you kept building. And if no one has ever told you this, I will. I believe in you with all my heart, even if you're still stuck in the middle. Even if you're still starting over the 100th time. Even if doesn't look like you made progress yet, you're still becoming. You're still allowed to be proud. You're still allowed to take up space right now. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going, step by step, breath by breath, because you are the quiet proof that impossible is possible, and you're becoming her right now. If no one's held you or held space for you where you're becoming, I will. Follow me if you need reminders like this. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to help you come home to yourself, one brave step at a time. Thank you.